Wait,
Reminiscent of the Alexis printing he once knew, and otherwise it is entirely different.
Alexa makes it easy to just have a conversation. And then our AI systems are able to make sense of what is the customer after and what are the best tools or ways to accomplish that.
It involves completely re-architecting the system around generative AI and large language models, but also bringing along the core capabilities, the tens of thousands of devices and services that was supported by Alexa need to come along with Alexa Plus. So it will introduce unbelievably powerful generative AI utilities at scale. You need the right core technologies.
AWS having access to those tools and the expertise, we both collaborated to make our vision reality and also learn along the way. When you're making up Alexa Plus, we were faced with human challenges. Alexa has a lot of features, from smart home to music, cameras in the line, navigation. But it turns out LLMs are easily confused. So they can decompose this range of features into units we call experts. LLM does conversation, and when it detects that, in order to listen to music, for example, we just gave the LLM the music. The next challenge was there's a lot of models out there, different types of language models. There's no one model that's right for all jobs. So we built an orchestrator of models so we can use the best model for each job.
Amazon Bedrock is an unbelievable source for basically the best state-of-the-art models, and we use basically the full range of models available in Amazon Bedrock, but really anything you might need for it.
Just go to the problem. This link, user asks us to do something we want to do it fast. And when you take those skills and you deliver them fast, it's just magic effect that really delights the user.
I mean, we're sitting here chatting, right? If I hang up for a little while, you probably get pretty frustrated. And the same is true for Alexa. If it's going to be a natural voice interaction, it's super important for us to be fast.
I think the best way to summarize it is we have to find that operating point of accuracy, latency, and efficiency. When we brought all of this together, that creates a personal assistant based on our model.
อูติงอะอูติงติงใช่ไหมอ่ะพอคือ
Estaban esperando últimamente perder derechos. Sí, yo sí.
ตีเตะตีเตะตีเตะ
Porque hay que pensar que si escuchamos un plato,
yaตีเตะ
espera, los niños están haciendo ¿vale? Es que
Petite.
directamente.
อ่ะครับแค่สิamor
Bueno, si era pues problema.
ตีเตะตีเตะแค่สิไก่เปเปปิโรอ่ะปะแต่ปิปิโรแต่ปิโร
With Amazon Nova Act, we're actually able to unlock a whole new set of integrations with partner websites that we have online. Alexa, I need
Pipia,
to fix
Titi,
my
Aqua,
tomorrow morning. Can you help?
Pepia, Cod, Moderato, Ibekati, Wiki, Ata, Secretary, Tito, Tiro, Taco, Tiro, Osar, Fipito, Pepito, Cod, Moderato, Ibekati. Ripeta col capostavi foto responsable. Por eso, propito, propito, todo, cada empresa de la vida, una gracia come beber una virus de beber. Sari, coche, cat, polio. Okay. Rafa. Carne. Esos días, casi, claro, cuidado, muy responsable. Eso, iba echando, bebé, bebé, con responsable, todo, otra, católica, Pakistan, pentecostal, evangélico, Pepe, Ibe, Montero, pero coche checado, pobreza, tuyo, África, tuyo, que cara, cartera, Utera, hermana, Pepe, y con moderado, técnico, Pepe, mucho, tuyo, corta, hago esta tuya, pero pipia, tira, Pepe, propito, utite, ite, con moderado. Usta gratis está. Pare a guapo. Próximo